Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiffany Nicole. Today I am doing a really quick unboxing, and I don't know how to pronounce the name, honestly. ASOS, I don't know how to pronounce that, so I'm not even about to attempt to do it. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys my unboxing. I ordered some gray and white platform Converse, and they came really quick. Like, today is November 28th. I just received the package like today, like 10 minutes ago, knocking on my door. Like, I just received the package, and I ordered these. Let's see, when did I order? Like, not even a week. Like, it's some days, y'all. When did I order these? Y'all, I ordered these November 26th, 2 days ago, and I got my package. Y'all. Okay, that was fast. But I'm kind of scared because I end up making my order after I read before I read the reviews. So I was so excited to see these gray and white Converse. They were so cute. And I just end up picking a size 6, that's my normal size. But like, I placed the order and everything. Then I go back to look at the review, and people are like, oh, they're big. Oh, I got this size, I got that size, and they're too big, or they sent me the wrong size, or whatever like that. So then I got kind of scared. I'm like, oh. And then it was like, I didn't receive my package till like a month later and all that stuff. So that's not for everyone, because obviously I received my package in 2 days. So I'm about to do my unboxing and just see. I'm hoping that I can wear these shoes, and if not, I just have to see if they do like exchanges or something like that. But yeah, I just see. Hopefully I can wear them. But yeah. All right, so this is the package. Kind of tore up a little bit, but this is the package. Uh-oh. Alright, so these are some DoorDash coupons, $5 off, a delivery fee. Alright, so just a Converse box. Look like that it's beat up a little bit. Somebody probably wore them before, but hopefully not. So yeah, this is the box, and let me move y'all down a little bit so y'all can see me. Alright, so this is the box. Oh, y'all, these are huge. Wow, they are so, look how cute these are. Let me turn my brightness down so y'all can look at that. Like, look at this. They are so cute. And that's why I was like so quick to order them, because like when I saw that gray, I'm like, yeah, I got to get these. But oh, so yeah, I did get a size. Y'all, so this is a UK 6, a women's 8.5, and a men's 7. What? Y'all, I should have got a 4.5. I am so upset. I mean, they came fast, but y'all, oh my God, I'm so upset. But I may be able to work with it, and I just know what size to get next time. But I just don't want to be looking like both, like, oh, y'all. These are, they're not that bad, but I got a lot of space. I have to wear thick socks, y'all. are huge. Y'all, let me show y'all how they look. Okay, y'all, so this is how they look. Y'all see that? Man, if I would have got a 5.5, I would have probably been good. Like, but like I said, they're not too bad. How do they look to y'all? Like, I have on, you know, those thick Nike socks. I would definitely have to have on thick socks, or I would have to double my socks. Like, I have so much, like, it's not so much, but I have space. I do have space. They're not too bad. I just don't know. Like, I just like that color. That color is so cute to me. But I don't want to look like no clown. Like, dang, she wanted them so bad. She got a big ass up. Y'all, that's so. Ugh. That is so crazy. Oh, I was so excited. It's my fault. I was so excited to get these because I saw them. They was gray, and I didn't look at the reviews. So yeah. All right, y'all. So I think I'm just gonna thug it out, and then for my ooh, excuse me. For my next shoe, I know like what to get. Dang, these are huge. If you want to order from them, I'm gonna go over my size. See that? But that's what it says. Men's 7, women's 8.5, and I do not. I like my size is a 6, so I don't even wear. I wear a 6 in women. Okay, y'all. I kind of got sidetracked. But yeah, let me go over the pricing for y'all. So here's I think it's pretty good. Okay, so yeah, so like I said, I ordered them November 26th, and I received them today, which is November 28th. And as you can see, it's 2/15, November 28th. And so let me look at my email right quick. So okay, so my total was $89.70. They usually range, I think this is the price range of these platform Converse, usually around 80 to 120. I know the white and black ones that I've been seeing and the other colors, they usually about 110, but I think it was a Black Friday deal going on. They had like a early deals going on, so when I saw those, I went ahead and got them. I was going through Instagram, and it popped up, and I just clicked on it. I was like, okay, so let me just order those, you know. But yeah, so yeah, that's the price that I paid for them, $89.70, which is really good. But yeah, so yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.